So for our anniversary, my husband and I decided to have an overnight staycation at a hotel in Miami. We wanted to stay close because it was our first night away from our son in 3 years. He's almost 3. And so we stopped at this restaurant called Tahiti Beach in Sunny Isles, and it was a great place to just have a meal and people watch. After that, we went to the hotel, which you can see here has a beautiful entrance, and the hotel has plenty of activities to do while you're having a staycation. So we just got to the JW Marriott Turnberry. It's in Aventura, Miami. It has a water park and it has a golf course. It's really beautiful. It reminds me of it's very Spanish style, Spanish revival style. And I can't wait to take advantage of not having my son around for a day so that we can go on the big kid slides and go golfing and stuff like that. Because last time we came here, we had my son, so we weren't able to take advantage of the pool area, the water park area as much as we wanted to because we were wrangling a kiddo. So it should be really fun. And maybe tomorrow, we have 3 passes, so maybe even tomorrow we'll bring Bryce and my mom and see if they want to play too. And we can still kind of pass it around and take advantage. Hand sanitizer kit. And inside is hand sanitizer and wipe sanitizer, which is really cool and a great way to make your guests feel safe right now. Other than that, nothing really different other than they checked our temperature when we came in, and obviously they're practicing social distancing in the lobby. This is the balcony. You got this amazing view of the golf course, which we're gonna go on and golf pretty soon. It's gonna be so cute being here. On the way to golf with my baby. You look super cute.
That's all right. It's good to not have a card to see where the hell the.
Do you want to get
one?
one?
Nah, it's okay. Look at this. Oh, maybe this is it. Oh my God, it is. This. Here's the hole. Stop.
Oh my God.
You hit it.
What is that?
That's reverse and forward.
Oh my God.
Hit it with your foot. Look at this. This is fancy. Wait, are we on Sofa or Miller?
I think one's closed.
Look, it actually knows where you are too.
Oh, GPS.
GPS.
Oh, that's probably so you don't take off with the cart.
Maybe. Okay.
We're ready? We're here?
Yeah, we're ready. We're gonna
okay.
Oh, that was practice.
Good hit. Well done.
Maybe.
Oh yeah, look at that. Nice. So take a practice swing.
There's a lot of alligators, right? Ready?
Take a practice swing first.
I'll take a practice swing at the alligator.
I'm looking, don't worry.
I'm too worried.
Get some grass.
I'm too worried about alligators.
Bend your knees. Make sure you get under the ball. Nice. Aim for that bunker. What? Nice shot. Well done.
So after golfing, we went back to the hotel and got ready for drinks. We headed out to the Aventura Mall. They have tons of restaurants outside. It's beautiful there. We stopped by this bar for a quick drink, and then we headed to Ceviche 105, which is one of our favorite Spanish restaurants in Miami.
Drink. I don't even know what I got. Oh, I got a colada. Like a pina colada.
Yeah.
Oh, what did you get?
Pisco sour.
My love.
Cheers, big ears.
So good. So you got what? What was it?
Taco lomo.
Taco lomo, and then aguila de gallina. Oh my god, I'm so ready to eat that because we haven't had that in so long.
It smells delicious.
Oh my god.
So this is my day 2 look. It's by a store named Antigua in Miami. I think they're online only now. And then I'm wearing these cute Fendi glasses. It's a swimsuit. And I think it's super cute. Also, you can wear this another way. I'll show you how you wear it as a dress. I still have to do my makeup, but I'll show you how you wear it as a dress as well. So I'm not gonna wear it like this today, but if you wanted to wear it like this is how you wear it as a dress. You could even like belt it here, like that. But it's kind of like a cover-up dress, so you can wear it like that. And then, if you wanted, I have this really cute hat that I bought from Antigua as well. And if you want to do like a cover-up hat, this is a really cute option. Like this is probably like the way that like the more like mom way to wear it and cover up more. If you're like with your kids, I'm gonna wear it the other way because I've already worn it this way before, but this is also just like a cute way to like wear it to dinner and cover up more, like with a belt. I'll show you with the belt. I do have a belt. So I styled it with a silver belt here, but this is how you can wear it, you know, out to dinner. Maybe you could even tuck this here, and maybe, I don't know, maybe you can pin this like this if you wanted to show this side. You can like pin it maybe. But anyway, this is how you can wear it to like dinner, after the beach, or after, you know, the pool. Obviously I have my swimsuit on, so you could totally take your swimsuit off or do a bandeau under here, and it would be like a really cute dress. Antigua, the designer, she makes the best items that are multi-purpose. So she did this purposely that you can wear it like a dress. She has other items that you can wear like as a skirt or a dress, like not wrap dresses, but like stretchy dresses and things. She has like reversible tops and swimsuits. So I highly recommend checking her out because her work is beautiful and the prints are amazing. I wish I could show, I mean, you can kind of see here, like, let me see. Let me try to get more light. But you can see like how pretty the color is and the prints are. So yeah, I'll see you guys later at the pool.
Back. You're not by yourself.
Oh, wipe out. So after a fun day at the water park, we concluded our overnight stay at the JW Marriott. It was fun to get away for a little bit and just enjoy each other without having a kid around, and hopefully we can do it again soon. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.